This Hamilton Beach 17 cubic square feet upright convertible freezer is wonderful. This one actually has 4 shelves, and then it has the opening on the side of the freezer itself. Also on the bottom, it has a plastic bin instead of a wire bin. Depending on which model you buy, some of them are plastic and some of them are wire. These are glass removable shelves. It's an LED interior light, and we needed it because I actually have a lot of stuff to put in it. So it's really good. It does have a good suction, so when you close the door, it suctions tight. I actually put a couple extra bins in here to separate my items that I'm going to be putting in here. And it's a great investment. So if you're looking for an extra freezer, here is my freezer filled. And actually not filled, we still have some more. But yeah, so there you go. It's a wonderful freezer. Check it out. And like I said, Hamilton Beach, 17 cubic feet upright convertible refrigerator and freezer. I like it. I use it. And like I said, it does keep a good suction when you shut it.